Hello there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to stop being added to groups on Telegram. Firstly guys, what you need to do, just simply go on the three dots on your left upper side and then you need to go for settings. Right after that you need to select the second selection, that is privacy and security. Right after that you need, here as you can see, you have a lot of options right there, but you need to choose the right option. The right option in this case is the last option in the first privacy section, that is groups. Click on that selection, and here as you can see on the first side you have a question that is related to you, that it says who can add me to group chats, and it is allowed to everybody, but you can go for my contacts. And now as you can see, also down you have also an options for always allow. Here you can add just for them, but also have never allow, add for also users that could never be allowed to get it to you on a group section on Telegram. Now guys, you need just to go on the tick on your right upper side, and we are done guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.